If you want to edit a photo on Google Pixel 9a, then what you need to do is simply open the Photos app. Then we can open the photo that we wish to edit, and as you can see over here at the bottom we have the edit option. So let's go to edit, and now we can start customizing our photo or editing it. Over here we have some bunch of different options that we can use. We have some cropping tools, some additional tools like blurring, unblurring, and magic eraser. We have some adjustment with different parameters for different things, as you can see over here. The list goes on and on. We have filters that we can apply, markup tools, and the motion option over here. This is especially if you have the live photo. And that is essentially it. So if you make any change, let me actually quickly change something over here. So let's say I'm gonna increase the brightness. There we go. Now, once you are done with editing the photo, we have the save copy option in the bottom right corner, so you still keep the original photo. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!